Hi, Magic Ears. My name is Kelly Harmon. I'm currently the Assistant Principal of Curriculum and Instruction for the Monmouth County Vocational School District. I come to you with a bachelor's in English and also a master's of English Rhetoric and Language. I also have my teaching certificate, I have my supervisor's certificate, and I have an administrative certificate. And currently I work with curriculum design and implementation. I really do miss the students, so I continue to teach college courses. Some are literature courses online, and others are English speaking courses online. And currently I am working as an adjunct for the University of the People and also Georgian Court University in New Jersey. So I welcome the opportunity to serve you in any capacity. So please feel free to reach out and contact me, and I'll be happy to talk to you more about my credentials. Thank you and have a great day.